Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me on yet another video. First, our ingredients for today. Matumbo is already boiled. I have my pan ready, my coriander, and it's time to slice the matumbo. We are gonna make wet fry matumbo, the very famous Kenyan food. If you've never tried matumbo, this is a sign that you should try it in 2024. This is quite soft, as you can see, and I love to slice it in small pieces because we're gonna fry it first. Before I add my ingredients, I like to just let it cook first without anything, but also making sure that it doesn't stick on my pan. Then I will add in a little bit of cooking oil to just let it slowly cook and dry nicely. The more it dries and cooks, the more it tends to just produce a lot of its juices, because that's what is in the matumbo. So I just like to let that come out as much as possible before I add my ingredients. Then I will pick a clean pan and fry my ingredients, starting with the onions. Add the oil that I drained from the matumbo itself, because there's so much oil in here, I wouldn't want to waste this, so that's what I use to fry it. Once the onion are brownly cooked, I add my tomatoes. Then I will add salt to taste, just a little bit of it. I will cook until it forms that thick sauce. Look at that, really nice. Then I will just add my already really nicely cooked brownish matumbo in that mix of my ingredients. Then just mix it up together so that all the ingredients can nicely mix into the matumbo, and it's looking yummy already. Then I will go in with my Royco cube. I don't like to use a lot of ingredients. I normally just use what I have in the house. If I don't have anything, I will not stress much about it. So whatever I use in my cooking are basically things that I have in the house. Then coriander to bring in the color and a bit of taste and a really nice wonderful aroma. And there you have it, our wet fry matumbo is ready. You can serve with ugali or whatever you like. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much.